your Budama. I wouldn't imagine.
Now we are kind of the 4 out to win dini. Would I don't know when we are by.
Now sing your mother.
Now I don't know
you don't know everything in this world.
A much the day of free room. One particular benefit from
Huh? Hey, boy, you don't know everything. You don't know that Ghana president come from our country. Ghana president come from our hometown.
Ha! President flew chrome.
Yeah,
who you Fanti?
I am Fanti. I go for do. Of your chrome. I am Fanti.
Hey, I'll club soon.
Of Mori. In your mammy.
No, mamma.
A creature you are. A creature you are. None but no, but no funny. Cobilabo. Ah, it made me come here. I time the man in Bibia.
Fanti, you know what you mean? Your bomb, son.
Mother, in Bibia. In Bibia, as I said, into me, challenge. I see, I say, you come
by to say
afternoon.
Let's say, hey, school with a train.
We are doing a debate.
Yes,
we are doing a debate. That's why we want to talk to you.
Akufo-Addo. Ghana president. Ofri.
You don't understand. He asking you that Ghana president. And then Siako, that's a million. Emma Boasum.
Ah, Samuel Sumini, I'm Miss Mabuasum.
I am Mammy Yanko.
Do I say?
If I say about
thank you.
Your Mammy Yanko. Ah, oh, they be a yabo.
I did about the panel, we are
so by. This boy, he don't know everything. But when I talk, I want to talk sharp than me.
Hey, Mamma Cassam. Cristiano Ronaldo, only maybe of you.
We are talking about Ghana president.
Some person says, "Some me crum be perfect." Minimum them so soon. Who there name?
I'm a swimmer crum. President as he saw, Obuman, over to Mapamo.
Evelyn,
over to Mapamo.
Young Konya Musa. Yes, thank you about train.
Now, ain't you never never to my ear? Ain't you never to my ear?
Who very near as I say?
Only maybe you don't know everything. You don't know. That's why I want you to know. Take time for us, eh?
Okay.
Take time.
Okay.
I see a smile, quiet, customer, quiet, Casasa.
Hello.
I tell you that quiet. Okay.
Yes. Hello, you're welcome.
I tell you that quiet. Okay.
Yes. Hello, you're welcome. Oh, no. Mama, transfer. No, you just said that. What problem? Okay.
Thank you when you're home.
No.
Olu, please.
Yeah.
We are doing a debate.
About what?
About president in Ghana.
Yes. President of Ghana now.
Yeah, now.
His Excellency Nana
Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
We are talking his hometown.
His what?
His hometown. And the place he comes from.
The place he comes from.
Yeah.
And after that one?
Sutro.
No. Only the hometown or?
Yes,
the hometown.
It's in your bow.
Every day.
Over so him, do you know
the father of Akufo-Addo?
No.
I know it's.
Oh, yeah, Akufo-Addo Papa.
Akufo-Addo Papa is calling. Oh, I'll mention his name when I come in. But right now, I know his mother. He's dying.
Wait, calm down. Akufo-Addo Papa. And I was sure about
Hey.
Okay,
commando.
The mother.
A mother.
Yeah.
Mention his mother's name for me.
So we see.
Is it Tochua?
Akufo-Addo Papa. President Papa de me name Kufo. No, Nyakufo. Your friend
Kobinebo,
Nyebo Fanti. My name is 2019. I'm on son, dear. Oh, he's good. He's good.
Chef Nebo.
Yeah, Nebo. A friend of my guy. A good father, a papa, not a Baba Yaminik. Near friend Emmanuel was say Kufo. One say, I a Kufado and a Kufo.
Olu, what just your friend name?
Emmanuel Sekufo.
Emmanuel Sekufo.
For my prayer for Bayaminik.
Bay! Olu, a player queen. And they came a fable. School guy. So, oh, but go him as it. But what?
You don't know anything.
Yeah, you two don't know anything.
Me too.
Yes.
What is that?
Oh, ask him.
Yeah! Emmanuel Sekufo! Fanti, why we need a bomb to throw?
This guy is so funny. You don't know President of Ghana father's name. And I've mentioned
What is
to you,
the name?
The name is Emmanuel Sekufo,
Hi.
former prayer of Bayaminik.
Hey.
I swear.
Olu,
Yeah.
I'm forgetting my money here.
You have forgotten your what?
My money. You should stand up. I want to test.
Stand here. I want you to say after me. Mountain liver salt.
Mountain liver salt.
So?
Mountain liver salt.
Mountain liver salt.
Mountain liver salt.
Hey! Mountain liver salt.
Mountain liver salt.
Say after me. Mountain liver salt.
Mountain liver
Hey.
salt.
Mention all.
Mountain liver salt. Olu, Adewa.
Daddy, this guy is funny.
I don't know.
But, Daddy,
Okay. After school, what next? Anytime I'm able to say we will school idea now, but now go school soon idea be I know when you want me burn your face. And when you might change it, and I'm going to idea.
Papa. And then your teachers for no more strike or mom best school.
So the book koi. Yeah, Ben Ghana, yeah, independent.
Papa. And then your teachers for no more strike or mom best school.
So the book koi. Yeah, Ben Ghana, yeah, independent.
Yes, you know.
Mubadu Anje. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Mubadu Anje. All right. Go and change yourself.
Bibi your kitchen.
Njansi in is you.
Did it be a son or kitchen? You're not best walk.
Baby. I'm found for Hanka, then it tells of a pabon as Yakwa. Maybe I'm in president, Papa D. Many in the cool school. Meaning, why? Mutikran and Kamika was here, Miss, and I'm a cousin, no. Or a former president, vice president, when you're in a baby. When I'm here first, what do you for about almost by a minute prayer? Emmanuel Sekufo, a bit in enough. Say, boys, and in it. Oh, Mohabo, pa. And now, Uncle was a capelli. We call him Fear Mebusa. Berma Bediide, I'm a twitch.
Can I call you?
Call me.
Yes, please.
I said the fact that our beton so on the shop doesn't guarantee say we are friends.
I say for your crowd, piano for.
Berma the oya kwala we pinju ye twanu for. Why piano say to see be wu.
Baby, I'm coming.
Don't leave me.
And what Bedina, what you know, will be a no possible. Not an auto to no Bobano. One from Dumont.
Get them Domilo.
So, Timmy.
I can't do it. For God's sake, I can't. No, I can't. Who can't go over family?
Hotel, the young and found one baby and baby. When you grab me in entrance, go to hotel. Suspense.